Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmodz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to be installing a plug-and-play third brake light strobing kit on this Honda Accord. Now, this would be the same procedure for all 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord four-door sedan. All right, so in order to access the wiring for the third brake light, it's going to be located in the back area behind this seat bolster right here. And so in order to remove this, what you need to do is go ahead and pop open your trunk and then pull this to release the back seat, and then you should be able to just go ahead and pull this out, put it down. And now this right here on the side, you have to remove this because that third brake light connector is not accessible through the opening that's right here. There is a cover right here that I already removed, which is right here, but the connector is located it's behind this area and down here, so it's not accessible. This is the harness for it, okay? And you can't yank it because it's actually clipped in underneath here. And so in order to remove this, what you need to do is, in the bottom right here, lift this section up, right? Where in the bottom right here where the seat goes in, and lift it up, and you'll see in the bottom, there is a bolt that you have to remove. So you see right there, that white clip that's back there. So in there, it's gonna be this bolt right here, and this is a 10 millimeter. And so once you remove this, you just have to go ahead and lift this straight up. And so I'm just gonna take this, grab it, and push up, and there you go. As you can see, it comes undone, and you just have to move the seatbelt aside, and this whole entire piece comes out. Once this piece is out, you see the connector right here. So this is the connector for the third brake light. So I wasn't able to access it through here because that bolster cover right here, seat, is covering all this, and you can't put your finger all the way in here to release the tab, and this is actually held on by a clip onto this metal bracket right here, and so you're not able to just yank it out. All right. And so once you do that, all you need to do is to disconnect it. There is a white tab that's located on this side. And so I can just go ahead and push the white tab and then pull it out right here. See how it comes undone? And then I can go ahead and install my plug and play third brake light flasher controller, and then simply connect it in here, and then connect the other end back into the original connector in here. And so that's it. And then I'll go ahead and remove the 3M backing, the double-sided tape that I have. It's a 3M VHP tape, so it's really good quality. And I'm just gonna mount it here. Now I just need to go ahead and reinstall this. Now, if you look right here, there is a little hook system, as you can see on the top. And so that's where it needs to go into that particular hole. So it needs to go up and down, but also be mindful that there is a metal bracket that you need to make sure that this piece goes over that, so across that. So don't install it like this. So it needs to go up and over that little piece right there, that metal bracket. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the seatbelt over this, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that it's above, and on the bottom it's over that. Okay. And then simply push it down. And that's it. Right. I just removed the weather stripping on the side because he does have a seat cover here, and I just want to make sure that it goes behind here so then it looks like it came with the vehicle, so there isn't a gap. See, I just wanted to make sure that the side thing goes behind here so it makes a clean line, that's all. But again, if you don't have seat covers, you don't need to remove the weather stripping to do this. And the last thing is to lift the seat up again and reinstall the 10 millimeter bolt, and you're good to go. As you can see, the bolt has been reinstalled, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back. All right, so that's the third brake light without the flasher module installed. All right, and this is with the flasher control module installed. When you press on the brake, and as you can see, it flashes quickly 4 times and it slows for 4 times. So do it one more time. So quick 4 and slow 4. All right, so that was a procedure on how to install the plug-and-play flasher module on a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord Sedan. For the coupe, it's going to be different because the coupe is not going to have that connector behind that rear seat. You actually have to tap the wires. Unfortunately, there's not a separate connector. All right, if you're interested in purchasing a set for yourself, go ahead and email me or contact me through my social media in the information that's linked below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.